Hey there, Mirror reviewers! Are you ready to meet another dynamic entrepreneur who is making waves in their industry? Of course you are! Hello and welcome back to another video by Mirror Review. In this video, we are going to introduce you to Zach Hemming, co-founder and CEO of Ice Cleaning, a company that's reshaping the cleaning industry with digital advancements. But before we dive into that, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. The cleaning industry is incredibly profitable, and with its continuous expansion, it's worth keeping an eye on. According to certain reports, the cleaning sector was valued at a huge $55,175 million in 2020, and it's expected to reach $111,918 million by the end of 2030. That's a significant increase. The beauty of this industry is that it functions mostly on a domestic or national scale. So, if you're seeking a long-term business opportunity, the cleaning industry could be your golden ticket. You see, most people think the cleaning industry is boring, unchanging, and stuck in the past. However, Zach Hemming is on a mission to revolutionize the way we think about cleaning, and he is doing it in a way that is nothing short of remarkable. His brainchild, Ice Cleaning, is turning heads and making waves in a way that's got everyone talking. Zach Hemming may not have followed the traditional path of education, but that didn't stop him from making his mark in the business world. He started his career in sales at a leading web tech company where he discovered the exponential power of digital marketing. With a passion for self-reliance and a desire to do something big, Zach partnered with James Reynolds to establish Ice Cleaning in 2019. They saw an opportunity in the British hygiene sector, and they were determined to make a difference. Zach's approach to blending digital marketing and cleaning solutions has been a game changer for the cleaning industry. He understands the importance of customer satisfaction, and he has implemented customized courtesy follow-ups to ensure a smooth transition during service offerings. Ice Cleaning even introduced a dedicated department to maintain a positive digital presence, improve the customer journey, and provide exceptional aftercare services. Under Zach's leadership, Ice Cleaning has grown rapidly, with over 40 service lines catering to commercial and residential customers across the UK. But with growth comes challenges, and Zach has faced his fair share. One of the biggest challenges was managing the load of potential leads generated by his digital marketing efforts. But Zach didn't let that hold him back. Instead, he hired more individual professionals and introduced a dedicated department for after-sales service to ensure customer satisfaction. Zach is not only focused on the business side of things but also knows the importance of keeping his employees happy. He holds regular appraisals to keep them motivated, and he has created a healthy and positive work culture that ensures everyone is aligned with Ice Cleaning's objectives. Running a successful company requires sacrifice, and many entrepreneurs sacrifice family time in pursuit of their dreams. But not Zach. He knows that spending quality time with family is important, and he makes sure to prioritize it. And let's not forget about fitness. Zach hits the gym every morning to stay energized and motivated throughout the day. And there you have it, Mirror reviewers. Zach Hemming, a young entrepreneur who is setting high standards in the cleaning industry with his digital advancements and commitment to customer satisfaction. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to hit that like button for our motivation to keep creating such content. And as always, stay tuned for more inspiring stories from Mirror Review.